Today's topic for discussion is botanical name, family and economic importance of some medicinal plants. And the medicinal plants selected for study is rose, mogra and tuberose. Let us see the details. The botanical name of rose is Rosa domestica, Rosa sinensis. There are several species of Rosa are present. Common name is Gulab. Family is Rosaceae. Let us see the economic importance of rose. Rose flower is used to prepare a high quality perfume. Even the rose oil is prepared from roses. And the rose flowers with jaggery used to eat every day before meal to reduce excess body heat, hence prescribed by Hakims to relieve burning sensation during urination. The plants are cultivated in gardens as an ornamental plant to increase the beauty of gardens. There are several uses of rose. Several traditional medicines are prepared from rose. Next. This is the photograph of mogra. The botanical name is Jasminum sambac. Commonly it is called as mogra. It is very common plant. The family of this plant is Oleaceae. Let us see the economic importance. The oil of mogra, it is used for making perfumes, cream, shampoo, soap and essence. The flowers are used to flavor jasmine tea and other herbal and black tea. In India, jasmine flowers are strangled together to make garlands. It has many medicinal properties like antidepressant, it is antiseptic, aphrodisiac, expectorant. There are several different types of traditional medicines are also prepared from mogra. The Jasminum sambac flower is used for removing intestinal worms at several places. It is also used for against jaundice and venereal diseases. The flower buds are used in treating ulcers, boils, skin diseases and eye disorders. The leaf extract of mogra, it is used against breast tumors. The leaves are antiseptic and are useful for wounds. They are useful against wounds and acne or pimples. And drinking jasmine tea regularly helps in curing cancer. This has been reported. And next, this is the photograph of tuberose. The botanical name of tuberose is Polyanthus tuberosa. The family is Asparagaceae. Let us see the economic importance of tuberose. The tuberose is used very commonly in aromatherapy for its ability to open the heart and calm the nerves, restoring joy, peace and harmony. Tuberose flowers have long been used in perfumery as a source of essential oil and aroma compound. Tuberose is commercially grown in India and it is a commercial crop in India. Tuberose oil is used in high value perfumes and cosmetic products. The bulbs of tuberose, they are rubbed with turmeric and butter and applied as a paste over red pimples of infants. Dried tuberose bulb is powdered form are used as a remedy for gonorrhea. It is type of disease. In Java, it is a country. In Java, the flowers are eaten along with the juices of the vegetables. There are several economic importance of tuberose. This is all about the economic importance of rose, mogra and tuberose.